So 3 ways you can make an extra $1,000 a month. So there's different ways you can make $1,000 a month. Nobody can tell you like the best way, but it's like $1,000 a month. It's not really a lot. So like, let me give you guys some 3 examples. Like one of the ways you can make $1,000 a month is being a customer service rep. So you see on these platforms, there's Fiverr, there's Upworks, and there's multiple freelance sites out there, right? Just go on Google and type in freelance sites. When you go on Google and type in freelance sites, you're gonna see other sites that you can post your skill set, right? Obviously, as a customer service rep, you don't really need that much skill set, right? So you can go on these sites like Upworks, Fiverr, and these sites and post what you're good at. Say you're a customer service rep and you're for hire. And other people, other companies can hire you to do their customer service from that. And you can do that from home. You just need your laptop and you need a phone. You probably won't need your phone. Maybe they'll have you answering emails, right? So go on these websites and you'll be able to basically find other ways you can make money by posting what you're good at. You can say you're good at photography. If you're good at photography, go on Instagram. If you go on Instagram and you post your post on Instagram and you post in your tag, your location, your city location, other people who's in your location, they're gonna see your post and they're gonna contact you because they see, oh, this photographer's in my neighborhood. Now they will pay you $300-400. You get a couple clients a month. You can make over $1,000 a month doing that too. So the first one, like I said, is going on other sites to post what you're good at. You can post whatever it is, right? You can post whatever it is on those sites and you can do it from your home. You can do customer service, whatever skill set you currently have, post it on your social media. 2 people will book you for your service. Now, number 2, it's selling products online. You see, selling products online is probably one of the fastest way to get to 6 figures online because, you can get to $1,000 a day. That's $1,000 a month. That's easy, right? $1,000 a month is not really a lot. You could trip and fall and find $1,000 on the floor. You get what I'm saying? So let's say doing selling products online. All you need to do if you want to sell some products online, this is how you do it. You go to these online, you go to these wholesale sites. Go to these wholesale sites like Alibaba and AliExpress. When you go to these wholesale sites, you can create your own website. Then like you can start with Shopify. You can do a big cartel. You can do WooCommerce. You can create these websites and you can just go on AliExpress and put these products on your online store. Now you can post these products on your social media and say, hey guys, I have glasses for sale. Hey, I have a shirt for sale. I have hair for sale. Now people who already follow you, who already know you, they can buy your product. You see, to make money, it's all about having something to offer. If you have something to offer, you'll always be able to make money. If you don't have nothing to offer, you won't be able to make money. So now the third one I want to go over is selling stuff around your house. Sell stuff around your house. It's so simple. You look around your house. If you have some books for sale, that's how even Jeff Bezos started with Amazon. He just had books around his house and he put it on the website. And other people started buying the books from his website. And that's how Amazon came to existence. So look around your house. You might have $1 billion idea around your house laying down. But by going around your house and finding some stuff that you can sell that you don't use currently can get you to an extra $1,000 a month. You see, to make money, it's all about putting the effort. The reason why a lot of people don't make $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, even $100,000 a month is the effort. They don't put in the effort to be able to do that. If you put in the effort, you will be able to make $1,000 a month. If you got up today and made a decision and say, hey, I'm gonna make $1,000 this month. If you made that decision, that conscious decision that you're gonna make $1,000 this month, you're gonna figure out how to make $1,000 this month. Because there's so many stuff that you have around your house. You spent over $1,000 in the last 30 days. Guess what? There's stuff that you bought that you spent that money on. Just resell that stuff. So you just have to make a conscious decision that you want to make $1,000 or $10,000 or $20,000. Make that conscious decision for yourself and look around how you get, what skill set you have, what do you have around your house to sell. So I always do these videos, give you guys tips and tricks on how you guys can make extra money. So I want you guys to comment down below. What are some ways right now that you're currently making money so other people can see those ways too? Comment down below and I'm gonna reply to your comments. And what I want you to do is watch my next video coming up. I'm gonna basically show you how you can make an extra $10,000 a month. And go subscribe to my channel. Every single day I post a video just like this for you. I'll see you on the next video.